Hey guys, I have the Slay Glam box for you guys. This is for the month of May, and this is what the little box looks like. But before I get into that, I wanted to give a big shout out to the Not So Evil Stepmother. I think that's your Instagram name, if I'm not mistaken. They actually contacted me on Instagram and told me that this person actually recommended me for unboxings. So I thought that was super sweet. They contacted me and asked me if they could send me this for review purpose. So thank you so much. So they did send me this for review purpose, but I will be opening it and letting you guys know what my opinion is. This is a $24 a month subscription box. So I did come in like one of those USPS envelopes, and as you can see, it kind of got like a little dinged up quite a bit by the USPS guy. I don't know what's in here, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up together. But this is what the box looks like, and then it has like a little drawstring on the top where you can hold it kind of like a little purse. So I did cut off the plastic here just so we could open it together. So I'm gonna go ahead and start opening it. Okay. Okay, at least I see a card in here. So let's pull this out. There's a little card that says Slay Glam box. And it says thank you for subscribing. Like I said, they did send me this for review purposes. And then it has the prices and the products on the other side. So I think that this box is relatively new. So I will give them a break because of that. Because of the fact that I feel like every company when they're starting out, you know, like they go through like a little bump on the road. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the first product that I see here, and it's a little dinged up. As you can see there, the box is open. This is the Kaylin Golden Copper Illumineral Bronzer Powder. So it has like a weird little name, but this is what it looks like. Oh, that is neat. I've never heard of this brand, Kaylin. Do you guys know where it's from? Okay, so I have no idea why it has, okay, so the packaging is a little weird. It has a little retractable brush. I'm thinking I can see the little bristles in there, but I don't know how to use it. God, I don't know how to use it. So there's a little brush in there, but I don't know how to use it. And then it has a loose powder bronzer in here. So I've never heard of this brand, and this is worth $33. I will definitely try to see where this brand is from and put it across the screen, or if it's just like an indie brand, and let you guys know. So the bronzer is very beautiful. Kind of reminds me of the, what is that called? Ooh, what are those called by Mac Daddy? I have like a few of them and now I can't think of it. The Artist Couture, that's what I was thinking of. That's what it reminds me of. It's so beautiful, very, very sparkly. The packaging I don't really care for. This is going to be a pain in the butt to store just because of this. I wish I could just take this off, and I probably will just take it off and store it like this. It looks like it has a brush in here, but I can't get it to work. So, and it doesn't have any kind of instructions with it or anything. So I am pressing down, twisting, and I can't get it to work. So if I get it to work, I'll let you guys know down below how you use it. If not, I'm probably going to throw away the brush and just store it like this, so that way it doesn't take up as much space with my bronzers. But it is very, very beautiful. It looks like something that I would put like all over the body for a bronze for, you know, like those summer days, or put it on top of my bronzer for like a shimmer. It's a very beautiful powder. It's just the packaging that I'm not a fan of. So let's go ahead and see what the next thing in here is. Okay, so the next thing in here is bubble wrapped like this. It looks like it has 2 lip products and a palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and hopefully it's not jacked up, because like I said, the box came so... Oh, there's actually a lip liner in here too. Okay, so there is the... Oh, it's a kit. It's a kit. So here it says the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Kiss Proof Slay Kit, and this is worth $45. So I have heard of Bella Pierre. We have received, you know, if you're into subscription boxes, I've received Bella Pierre and other subscription boxes. So it comes with 2 of them, and I like the fact that you get like a red and a more nude, and then you also get a lip liner. The lip liner is in Truly Red. and it's more of a drier lip liner formula. It's that red right there. It's a real true red. And then the lip cream is in the shade just red. And I'm gonna go ahead and, oh wow, that's like a deep red. So that's the red. And then the other shade is nude. So I like the fact that you get a little bit of both, because that's a lot of something that a lot of people have issues with subscription boxes, is like they want a nude or they want more pop of color. So this way you kind of get both. You get a red and a nude, so that is very pretty. And then the palette is the Beauty Creations Seduce Me palette. Let me know if you guys want to get ready with me using this. This is worth $14.99. I have never used anything from Beauty Creations, so I couldn't tell you the formula, but the packaging is cute. It has like these little feathers on the front. And then, oh, okay, thankfully nothing is broken in here, but you get a crap ton of colors. You have 18 colors in here, and you have a nice variety of shimmers and mattes in here. I'm just gonna swatch like maybe like a shimmer and a matte. They look super pigmented. They feel super soft. Let me know if you guys want a get ready with me, even if it's on Instagram. I will do that for you guys. Oh wow, these swatch so nice. Like, these shimmers are amazing. And I have never tried this formula before, but I will definitely play with this. I do like the palette. It has like just like a good variety of colors in here. So this looks absolutely just beautiful. Let me know if you guys have ever heard of this brand, Beauty Creations, and where you can get it from. It is cruelty free. I don't see anything else in here. Just says that it's cruelty free, and it is distributed by Los Angeles, California. So I don't know, but this is very, like, I feel really impressed. And to see that it's only worth $14.99, I need to find out. I need to use this and see if there are more palettes from this brand, because I will definitely be looking into that. Let me know if you guys want like a get ready with me using these products, and I will do that for you guys. And then the next thing in here is the Kaylin 4-in-1 eye brush. I can already tell this is not like one of my favorite things. Let's see how it looks. This is worth $22. Oh, you know what? I might like it. I just don't like dual-ended brushes because I can never store them, but this one actually has a lid on it. So it has a like angled kind of brush on one side, and then a lip brush on the other. Yeah. Oh, and then it has a little. Okay, I see where you're going with this, kind of. Okay, so it has kind of like a small angled one and a kind of underneath the lash line kind of pointed brush as well. And then you can flip either one of those. I do like the fact that it closes, so you don't have to worry about how to store it. And then it has a lip brush. I think that this would be really good for traveling. This is something that I would take like on my cruise, just because I wouldn't have to worry about losing it. And then the fact that it kind of has like, you know, multiple brushes all in one. You can just throw it in your bag without it, not losing it. What's it called? Like fraying, or, you know, the brush getting messed up. That's what I want to say. So I do like the fact that it's nice and closed like that. And then last thing in here is the, what is this? The Bang Beauty. Another brand that I don't think I've ever heard of. I don't think I've ever heard of any of these brands except for Bella Pierre. Yeah, that's the only brand that I've ever heard of. So this is the Bang Beauty, and this is a brow cream. That's what it looks like right there. It's a nice kind of mid-tone brown. I'm not really into brow creams just because even right now my brows have nothing in them, so I have really full brows. So this is something that I'll just go ahead and gift to someone who will be able to use it more than I will. And it comes with a cute little brush as well. So that is really nice. We'll definitely you know, I don't know how the formula is, but it looks like a nice little you know, way of trying a new little brow product. So I will try to put the amount here for the total value of the box. Like I said, this box is $24 a month. I will put their link and everything down below. I'm not affiliated with them. They did send me this for review, but I make no commission or anything. And if they try to give me a coupon code or anything like that, I will leave it down below. You guys know that when I am, you know, when I receive some kind of commission or anything like that, or compensation, I do go ahead and tell you guys. But for this one, they just sent, you know, asked me if they could send it to me for review purposes to unbox. So that's what I did. But it looks like a really nice one. I do like the fact that they kind of have like a good mixture of new brands that I've never seen before in other boxes. The only one that I've recognized was the Bella Pierre. I do hope to see like how their other boxes come about, if they do you know, include like brands that we do know and love, because that's always a plus. You know, you always get excited when you see like Dose of Colors or Too Faced or, you know, all these other brands. So we'll definitely see how they keep incorporating different brands. So let me know what you guys think of this a new box, this Slay Glam box, down below. Are you subscribing? Are you gonna wait it out? Are you gonna kind of see how they develop their box? Another thing is that their box, I wish, even though the packaging is cute and, you know, the way they thought about it, I do wish that it was more secure, like more strong, even though nothing did come broken. But just because the USPS guy really dinged this up a lot, so I don't know. Even though, if you've seen some of my other unboxings, some of my other unboxes, like some of my other oh god, I can't talk. Some of my other boxes also come up like really jacked up by FedEx or UPS or anything, so who knows. So that is all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that little red button down below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys.